Hello friends, welcome to my channel Local Guy. Friends, you all know how to share mobile data using mobile hotspot. So others can connect to your hotspot and start using the shared mobile data. But how to share Wi-Fi connected phone's Wi-Fi to others? Suppose you are connected to home Wi-Fi network and friend asking you to give him your home Wi-Fi password. So here, instead of giving him a Wi-Fi password, what you have to do is create a second Wi-Fi network on your phone and share home Wi-Fi with friend using this newly created Wi-Fi network's password. So here, you don't have to provide him your home Wi-Fi password. I will show you how to do this trick. Friends, before starting the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Here I have two phones. Phone 1 is connected to my home Wi-Fi and I will use it as a Wi-Fi repeater, and phone 2 as a client to connect to Wi-Fi repeater. To use phone as a Wi-Fi repeater, we have to install NetShare app from Play Store. So let's install the app on both the phones. After downloading the app, I am disconnecting my second phone from my home Wi-Fi network. So I ensure you that second phone is not connected to any Wi-Fi network. Now open NetShare app on phone 1 and tap on Start Wi-Fi Network. You can see that new Wi-Fi network with SSID and password is created. Now phone 1 will act as a Wi-Fi repeater. Now head on to second phone and follow these steps. Don't open the NetShare app on second phone yet. Step 1. Connect to newly created Wi-Fi network with password. After connected to repeater phone's Wi-Fi network, still we are not able to access the internet. Step 2. Open the NetShare app on the second phone. A message asking permission for VPN connection request will be displayed. Click OK. Now phone 2 is connected to repeater phone's Wi-Fi network. On phone 1, under list of connected device, you can see the connected phone's MAC ID and IP address. And now you can browse the internet. So let's check the internet connection is working or not. And yes, it is working. Friends, you can also connect your laptop to repeater's Wi-Fi network. First, connect to repeater's Wi-Fi using the password. After connected to Wi-Fi, you can see that still we are not able to browse the internet. So here, what you have to do is go to browser settings, go to advanced, then proxy settings. A new window will open here. Under connection, go to LAN settings. Under proxy server, enable use a proxy server for your LAN and enter the IP address and port number given on the repeater under NetShare app. That's it. Now you can able to browse the internet. Friends, if you like this video, then share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye.